How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my future success. Guys, I'm going to take this week and do a lot of educational videos. So if you are new to my channel or you've been following me for quite a while, I'm going to recap and just go over the basics of trading. And like this video, what the heck are we looking at on this screen? Why has these metrics been able to help so many people pass their prop firm accounts from eval to pro to payout? And it's hundreds, if not thousands of people that I've worked with already that have been able to do it using these metrics. So let's just break this down. What are we looking at the screen? What is the green? What's the black? What is this profit wave here that I refer to? What are the dots? What is this down here? Let's just dive into all of it. And then, of course, obviously being Thanksgiving week, Black Friday specials are on this entire week. I'll show you guys exactly where to do that. And I am literally doing the biggest discount I've ever done. And I'm literally paying for you guys to have a month live trading membership on me. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second at the end of this video. But let's look at this chart and say, how do you use this? How does Justin use this? How does so many other people? So let's just start off with the background colors. You're going to have notice when you grab these metrics. This is on NinjaTrader. When you grab the metrics, I actually go over exactly the settings that I use to give your charts look exactly like this. Green means bullish. So essentially speaking, if this is green, this means price action and the overall volume is going to be going into the market, right? Green, increase, green, increase. Now, black just means the opposite. So if this is black in the background, that's where you want to be going short. Black, price decreased, black, price decreased. So simple as that. I have some people that just trade with off the background color and that's it. Now, I want you to add in a little bit more. This right here is called a profit wave. Now, this profit wave is very important. It has two kind of key metrics within it. A brighter and a more faint color. You guys see when this is brighter on the bottom, faint on the top, brighter on the top, more faint on the bottom. This is showing the actual momentum and the strength behind the trend. So the wider the gap is, the larger the movements you're going to get before you have a reversal. So what you can do is say, okay, when my background switches from, let's say, black to green or green to black, if we wait for that profit wave to switch over to that brighter color on top, you can look for entries and then you can play it. Like right here, entry, down, you can play. Entry, up, switched over, entry, play it down. So that is what the profit wave is on here. Now, these white dots are actually the price of where it closed at the end of the time frame you're on. Guys, I love the 3-minute time frame. I've been trading it lately. Ron actually on Tuesday and Thursday, actually on Wednesday too, when he does live trading, uses the 1-minute time frame. His scalps for 5 points and been very successful. But it's nice to know where the actual price is overlaid on top of Hiekin Ashi candles to kind of smooth out the market. Now, if we drop down here a little bit into the middle here, this is going to show you SMM dots, which is basically saying if your profit wave is all stacked in the correct order, right? So when this is red, I have a lot of traders that just hold the position all the way down if this is red. So background's black, which is bearish, profit wave is stacked, and this is red, you can go short. If this is green, and these are green, you just run it all the way up. Red and red, go down. Green and green, go up. So when you get this gray, this is just indecision. This is a switch over and basically a reversal in the market. So if this is green right here, right, and this goes gray, what usually follows afterwards? Red. Well, that's where this was higher, switched over, went short. Now, it doesn't always have to have a gray dot to go the opposite way, because take a look here. Red to green, that's when it switched. So this is overall showing the profit wave as well, but stacked in the correct order. Now, I'll take this one step further. Let's just go down to the dashboard here below. This is going to show you institutional money that's either flowing into the market, price increasing, or money flowing out of the market, that's when price decreases. So a simple way to do this is green with green, red with red. If this is green and money momentum still staying above this 50 line, this is where you want to continue to go long. If this is red, go short. Red, go short. Guys, the reason I did these metrics is I wanted to take kind of the top 10 indicators that a lot of retail traders use, but put it into a very easy form to understand market conditions and sentiment a little bit easier. You know, something as simple as when we were younger, or even now, red light, green light, that game, right? When it's green and green, you're going long. When it's red and red, you want to be going short. Now, I know it sounds like, oh, is it really that simple? Trading is very difficult. I'll be the first person to say that. But these metrics absolutely smooth out market conditions to give you an easier visual on what you're actually looking at. So I hope you guys that it was like helpful for you to kind of go over what does the background color do? Why is there a profit wave? The white dots on here, what are those? Why do we have these dots in the middle? Why do I look at the money that's flowing in and get conditioned to everything else? So let's just go over something real quick on an entry. Well, if we switch over to our background from green to red, or it's green to red or green to black, meaning bearish, and you have a strong candle, which is a full body with a wick out the bottom, and you have everything stacked in that direction, I want you to go short. If you have everything stacked going long, you can go long. Short, short. So that is just one strategy. I'm going to do another video here, and I'm going to show how to actually do continuational trades and reversal trades, and I'll go over that. And then another video coming up after this. But hopefully this was just a great educational video to know what the heck am I looking at, because these metrics are amazing. So Black Friday is on right now. I will let you guys know. Ninja Trader special is on, and for Tradingview. Both platforms are available for this. Actually started on Tradingview, have both sales over there. And this is what I want you guys to see. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Ron, one of my affiliates, goes live in front of you and trades the futures market using these metrics. Now, for Black Friday, I have a massive thing going on where if you go over to Take Profit Trader, it's the prop firm that I use and have had so much success with literally daily payouts. If you grab 550K accounts using the promo code MyFutureSuccess or just this link here, shoot me an image so not only I can add you onto the first and third Friday of the month free Zoom calls that I do for life. In addition, I'm going to give you a coupon code for the live trading environment that's going to drop this down for your first month literally to 99 cents. So $1. I want you guys to see the success that so many are having on me. Now, I do get a slight kickback from Take Profit. So I said, I'm going to take what I get, a percentage of it, and I'm going to send it back and give it to you guys for free. Okay. So I want you to see the success because it is phenomenal. I think last week, out of 30 plus trades, Ron only had about 3 losers on there. And average was about $600 or more per day that he traded live right in front of everyone. So Black Friday's here. This is going to be a fun week. I'm going to continue to do a couple more videos this week of education and understanding how to use these metrics and answer the time frame questions, entries, reversals, all that. So stay tuned because these videos this week are going to be the best education ones that you can find. When I come back from vacation, I'm going to be doing some more live trading right in front of you starting December. And this is going to be a very fun end of the year. All right, guys, take care. God bless.